We guide you through how to use templates in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut on your computer and click the Templates tab from the left menu. Browse through the available templates and choose the one you want to use. You can also use the search bar to find a specific style or trend. Once you've selected a template, click Use Template. Next, import your photos or video and replace the placeholder clips with your own content. Make sure your media matches the required number of clips and the aspect ratio for the best solution or results. After adding your files, CapCut will automatically apply the template's effect, transitions, text animations, and timing. Review the review and make any adjustments if needed, such as changing text, replacing clips, or trimming certain sections. When you are satisfied with the final result, click Export in the top right corner, choose your preferred resolution and frame rate, then export the video to your computer.